Ciao ragazzi, ciao a tutti amici, come state? How are you guys? Hey everyone, halo semuanya, apa kabar? Welcome back to another video. It's so fresh today guys, today is really a fresh day. In Milan it's a beautiful day, nggak terlalu dingin dan nggak terlalu panas. It's really beautiful. Now I'm walking around in the park. Salah satu taman di kota Milan. It's really beautiful, the city. It's really big also, this park. It's one of the biggest park in Milan. And today I'm going to pick up my wife in the office. So kita mampir sebentar di taman ini sambil berjalan-jalan menikmati udara sejuk di taman ini. Well, missing only a few days guys before I'm going back to Jakarta, to Indonesia. Missing only a few days. Hanya tinggal beberapa hari lagi aku bakalan pulang ke Indonesia. Kita mau pulkam ke Indonesia, tepatnya di Jakarta, kota Jakarta. Tujuan kita pulang kampung ke Indonesia. It's because I have some private event. Aku punya ada private event, di sana. Aku harus ada manggung, ada jadwal manggung di Jakarta, dan aku bakalan stay di Jakarta selama hampir 1 bulan teman-teman, dari tanggal 13 Maret besok aku bakalan sampai Jakarta. Mungkin ada karantina, dan setelah itu ada jadwal manggungnya dan juga ketemu sama keluarga aku. Itu paling penting teman-teman. I'm going to meet my family. That's the most important. To see again my family after 3 years teman-teman. Setelah 3 tahun aku pergi meninggalkan tanah air dan belum pulang selama 3 tahun, dan akhirnya I can go home back to Indonesia for visit my family. Dan it's gonna be so fun, it's gonna be beautiful, karena aku sudah kangen sekali dengan orang-orang rumah, dengan keluarga aku semua, terutama dengan keponakan-keponakan. Sudah siapin semuanya oleh-oleh untuk dibawa pulang ke Jakarta, and I'm so excited and I can't wait. Well, so I'm gonna be there for 1 month at least, almost 1 month. Dari tanggal 13 Maret sampai tanggal 9 April. Dan aku bakal pulang ke Italia lagi. Aku harus balik lagi ke Italia tanggal 9 April karena aku sudah ada beberapa jadwal manggung lagi di sini, dan sudah mulai agak sibuk lagi karena sudah mulai masuk musim panas di Italia. Jadi aku harus pulang, dan sudah ada beberapa jadwal manggung juga di sini, dan I have to go back. So if you have any idea guys, bila kalian punya usul selama aku di Indonesia, karena kita juga mau berlibur juga, aku dan istri aku, bulan madu lagi ke Jakarta, ke Indonesia. Kalau ada usul kemana kita bisa pergi di Indonesia, just let me know. Karena kita rencana mau ke Bali juga, kita mau ke kota Lombok juga, kita mau ke Gili. We going back to Bali for holiday. But pastinya aku mau mengunjungi kota-kota lainnya juga di Indonesia. So jika teman-teman punya usul, punya ide, where can we go selama kita di Indonesia, just write in the comment and just let us know guys. Well, you have no idea how much we are so excited to go back there, to tanah air tercinta. Ya, dan pastinya teman-teman, kita pengen sekali ketemu dengan kalian. So pastinya aku bakal update terus, aku bakal buat vlog juga selama kita di Indonesia, dan aku bakalan update terus juga kemana kita akan pergi, kemana kita akan kunjungi, kota-kota mana yang akan kita kunjungi di Indonesia. Dan pastinya teman-teman, kita juga pengen bertemu dengan kalian semua. We also wanna meet you guys in Indonesia. So we will update always. We going to update, kita bakal update terus, dan kita juga akan memberikan gift untuk teman-teman. So keep on update, keep on watching my channel, my video. So I will let you know guys, where can we meet and where can we share. Dan akhirnya bisa bertemu dengan kalian semua secara langsung. Oke, sekarang sepertinya Ana sudah mau pulang, sudah waktunya untuk pulang dari kantor. So kita mau jemput dia dan and let's pick up my wife from the office. Let's go guys. Yes, Ana sudah pulang kantor. Just go back from work. Kamusta, amore?
Bene, tu?
Gimana? How's work today?
Bene,
Bene?
sì.
Yeah, Ana is already go back home from work.
Sì.
Yeah, it's already dark, guys. Sudah gelap lagi. It's
Ma
already.
perché è ancora inverno?
Ya, masih winter, jadi malamnya cepat sekali ya, gelapnya cepat. So, it's where are we going, baby? We're going home.
Andare a casa?
I don't know.
Devo andare a fare un po' di shopping.
Yeah, okay. So we can go shopping for prepare for Indonesia, not to go to Indonesia.
Devo comprare ancora alcune cose.
Ah, kita mau belanja buat ke Indonesia, teman-teman. Oleh-oleh, all gift for my family. We already buy. Also the gift for you guys, for teman-teman semua. Kita udah beli beberapa hadiah, gift. So, are you excited to go back to Indonesia?
Me, I'm really excited.
Yes, we are so excited, teman-teman. Like I told you before, we are really excited. Missing only a few days. So we are going to again to feel the hot weather.
Ah,
Ya, udara yang
lebih
hangat
trauma.
lagi. Dari dingin ke panas, teman-teman. Okay, so we go shopping first before we go home. Va bene?
Sì.
Dai. Okay guys, we are already shopping, a little bit shopping only, a little bit body shopping. Oh, what's that?
Oh, no,
Yeah, because we want to have dinner guys, before we go
Stavo
home.
posto il ramen.
Ah, questo è ramen.
È nuovo questo ristorante.
Ah. Teman-teman, sudah sedikit shopping oleh-oleh buat teman-teman di Indonesia. Abbiamo comprato per i miei amici in Indonesia oleh-oleh. So, sekarang kita mau makan, we wanna have dinner, and after we go home, and after we wanna packing, kita mau packing the bag, koper kita for go back to Indonesia. We can't wait, we're so excited, teman-teman. So, we'll see you there in Indonesia, guys. Let us know which place we can visit, which city we can visit. Maybe we can visit your city too.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Because we are going there for work, but also for holiday. Yeah, pulang kampung, teman-teman. See you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Comment?
So we're gonna see you again next video that we are going to Indonesia. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all, and ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.